Hey guys, what's up? What y'all doing here? I was just sitting there watching like the pretty flowers and the birds and the, well, I don't think bees because it's kind of rainy. But we're going paintballing out by DaCosta's farm. So come along. Guys, so I just picked up Justin. That's Justin Lynn. Yeah. Guys. Family basically, yeah. Family, yeah. You see me? So we are on our way, slightly late, but we're gonna fly out to the DaCosta farm. Yeah. So follow through. Up top. Got suited up, you know what I mean, and we're getting ready. Justin is going to change. Suited up, Justin over here. This is Davian. I don't think the lighting's showing well, but that's Davian, class of 09, Wolmerian bro from a long time. You see me? And Christoph, yeah man. Another class of 09 party. Happy to see the man them link up. Paintball is on, you see me? Yeah man. So, what wanna say? Anything you wanna say to the cam?
Crocodile teeth.
Yeah, nothing. The man doesn't hold it down. Justin? Nothing? Alright, I gotta say something. The war is on. Yeah, well, me go cover Chris, and Chris go for the flag. What do you say? You guys want last man standing? Last man standing? Hey guys. So my strategy for this is I need to take out the bigger guy. The better shooter, so I'm probably gonna go after Justin first. I'm gonna move down. That was fun. I hope you guys are seeing this. Alright guys, so that looks like an episode. The war was tough, it was hot. Everybody shell everybody. Everybody going home with some battle scars, but it was a vibe. So, anything you guys want to leave on any last statements you want to say before?
Next time, them dead.
Anything you want to say, Chris?
Big up DaCosta Farms and big up Omar. Yeah.
Respect, Justin. Yeah, good. Alright guys, like, subscribe, comment, share. Let me know in the comments what you think. You know, how much shot you think every man pick up all together. Easy. And big up, I hope you have a good week. So that's the epi. And then had a good time. Everybody shell everybody. Basically, you know, we just finished catching up. It's always good when you say, yeah, exactly what you said. Yeah. It's always good when you, yeah, for real, don't? This bird not gonna make me. Nah, make me live. She look like she miss you. Alright guys, so that looks like an episode. The war was tough, it was hot. Everybody shell everybody. Everybody going home with some battle scars, but it was a vibe. So, anything you guys want to leave on